If you're looking for irregular wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 Irregular wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Aogetesi. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Wrisky. Number 3, by Lightinthebox. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by 3D Rose. Number 5, by Gooday. Find these irregular wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6, by Zeroyoyo. Number 7, by Aogetesi. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Stencil. Number 9, by Wrisky. Discover more irregular wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Decor.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.